Today we're taking 10 Bible verses and prayers to overcome depression and emotional pain. Psalm 34:18. The Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart, and saveth such as be of a contrite spirit. Prayer. Lord, draw near to me in this season of heaviness, heal my broken heart, and remind me that you are close to me even in pain. Matthew 11:28. Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Prayer. Jesus, I come to you with my emotional burdens, asking you to give rest to my weary soul and peace to my troubled heart. Psalm 42:11. Why art thou cast down, O my soul, and why art thou disquieted in me? Hope thou in God, for I shall yet praise him. Prayer. Father, lift my soul from discouragement, renew my hope in you, and restore my joy and praise. Psalm 34:17. The righteous cry, and the Lord heareth, and delivereth them out of all their troubles. Prayer. Lord, hear my cry today. Deliver me from emotional pain, and surround me with your saving power. Isaiah 26:3. Thou wilt keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on thee, because he trusteth in thee. Prayer. God, keep my mind anchored in you. Silence every anxious thought, and flood my heart with your perfect peace. 1 Peter 5:7. Casting all your care upon him, for he careth for you. Prayer. Loving Father, I cast every worry, sorrow, and emotional struggle upon you, trusting in your deep care for my life. Psalm 147:3. He healeth the broken in heart, and bindeth up their wounds. Prayer. Lord, heal every broken place within me, bind my emotional wounds, and restore my heart completely. Deuteronomy 31:8. And the Lord he it is that doth go before thee. He will be with thee, he will not fail thee, neither forsake thee. Prayer. Father, remind me that I am never abandoned, and give me strength to move forward knowing you are with me. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the thoughts that I think toward you, saith the Lord, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end. Prayer. Lord, help me trust your thoughts of peace for my life, and fill me with hope for the future you have planned. Psalm 35. For his anger endureth but a moment, in his favor is life. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. Prayer. God, strengthen me through this night of sorrow, and lead me into a new morning filled with joy, healing, and renewed hope. If you are blessed with these Bible verses and prayers, kindly subscribe to this channel, also like and share this video. Thank you for joining us today and see you again tomorrow. God bless you.